If you've ever wanted to make it super easy for people to join your Telegram channel, maybe friends, colleagues, or new community members, one of the best tools you can use is a QR code. In today's quick and clear tutorial, I'll walk you through how to generate a QR code for your Telegram channel using the Telegram desktop app. By the end, you'll be able to share your channel instantly, just one quick scan away for anyone you want to invite. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Telegram app on your desktop or laptop. Now, it's important to note this particular method works best on desktop, as the interface is slightly different from what you see on your phone. So if you're not at a computer right now, feel free to pause this video, grab your device, and come back when you're ready. Next, find your way to the channel you want to create a QR code for. This could be a channel you run for your book club, a professional organization, or even just a private space for your closest friends. On the left side panel, just click the name of your channel from your chats, and that'll bring you right inside. Now here's the part where a lot of people get a bit lost, so let's take it slow. Up at the top of your channel's chat window, you'll see the channel name. Click right on the name or the profile picture next to it. This brings up the channel's profile page, kind of like an About section where you can see details and manage settings. On this profile window, look carefully and you'll notice an invite link, usually in the shape of a link icon. And right beside that, there's actually a little QR code icon. It's pretty easy to miss if you're not looking for it, so don't worry if you didn't spot it at first. Go ahead and click the QR code icon. In just a moment, Telegram will generate a unique QR code for your channel. What's actually happening here is Telegram is transforming your channel's invite link into an instant access barcode. Anyone with a smartphone can scan that code and they'll go straight to your channel, no copying, pasting, or searching for links. This QR code is super handy in so many situations. Think about printing it out for an event, adding it to a PowerPoint slide during a presentation, or sharing it on your group's website. You can save the image of the QR code directly from Telegram. Just right-click and save it as a file. Or you can take a quick screenshot, whatever works best for you. And that's really all there is to it. You've now set up a scannable portal to your Telegram channel, making inviting others both professional and quick. If you ran into any hiccups, say you couldn't find the QR code icon, just double-check you're viewing your channel on the desktop app, since mobile layouts can hide or rearrange buttons. So that's how you create a QR code for your Telegram channel in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, please tap that like button to let me know. And if you have any questions or if you ran into something unexpected, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.